So we got another comment on my video about creating flipping pages in Canva. And he asked, Ma'am, good day. Ask lang how to insert a flipbook link at your PDF file. So if you want the link to this Canva tutorial, comment Canva tutorial and I'll share it with you. So hi Jacob, thank you for your comment. So in this video, I will show you how to insert a flipbook link or any link into the PDF. This PDF will be the file you attach to your online shop. Buyers will receive this PDF if you're selling a digital product. So make sure to watch until the end to know how. So first, you need your own PDF design. So if you want this exact template, comment down template link and I'll give you access for free. So go to share button, click on the three dots, click on the template link and copy the link. This link is what you'll attach to your PDF. Go back to the PDF. If you're selling a digital product, you need to have a template link and a PDF file inside. Or if you want to add also the flipping link. The template link is where the buyer can edit your design without editing your original design. So it's like a duplicate of your original design, okay? So click on the button, click on the three dots, and click on the link to paste the template link. Next, the flipping page link. So go back to Hazen and copy your link and paste to the PDF. So this PDF button will be the ready to go file for your buyers. So go back to the coloring book, click share, and download it. Next, go to your G Drive, click new, and click on file upload to upload your coloring book. Once done, click on it, click the share button. Make sure to enable anyone with the link. Then click copy and done. Go back to your PDF file, click on the PDF button, click on the three dots, click on the link, and paste it here. So once you're all good with the links inside this PDF, you can now download this and attach it to your online shop. Like if you have Etsy, Gumroad, Coffee, Shopify, etc. So there you go. I hope it helps. Also, if you want this coloring book, comment down coloring book and I'll share the template link with you. So be sure to follow my page for more. See you in my next video. Bye!